Hello friends, myself Rajat Chatterjee, lifestyle management consultant is here today to discuss a very interesting topic that is lip care. The lips are more attractive than the regular skin. The lip skin contains very thin melanin cells because of which the blood vessels more clearly appear through the skin and that gives a lovely pinkish color of your lips. You will also be surprised to hear that the lip skin has no hair follicles and no sweat gland. Therefore, it doesn't sweat and body oils in protecting the lip skin from environmental effects. And for that, our lip skin is very sensitive than other skin types. So, we use lip balms or lip gels onto the lips to prevent the drying and to protect against adverse environmental effects. Many people seek weekly facials, daily skin scrub, anti-aging lotions and many other products to ensure they have a healthy and glowing face. But unfortunately, the lip care is largely forgotten. To protect our lips from some common disorders like cracked lips, swelling, sun damage, inflammation, discoloration, sores, etc., we use lip balms or Vaseline. These lip balms often eaten away by us, and hence it is imperative that we should be more careful at the time of selection of lip products. Moisturizing lip products is an essential cosmetic product to enhance the lip appearance as well as to prevent the inflammation or cracked lips. Most of the lip balms available in the market have some light shade like orange, lemon, etc. And for this color, often applying onto the lip, a light color develops. This dye color is not at all good for our health. All lip balms that we are purchasing from market should be made with lip safe ingredients. That means that the ingredients are food grade rather than cosmetic grade. This is a very important aspect we should keep in mind during selection of any lip balm. Let me introduce today with a world-class lip product, that is Atomy Lip Treatment from the House of Atomy, the renowned South Korean company. The name itself clarifies that this product will take care completely of your lip. Dermatologists recommend only hypoallergic lip moisturizers made from deeply hydrating and protecting ingredients, and you will find all these qualities in Atomy lip treatment product. Firstly, this is purely a natural color lip treatment, and major ingredients of Atomy lip treatment are shea butter and three very important oils, that is rose oil, avocado oil and olive oil. Let's discuss in detail about these natural ingredients, which we all should know in detail. Number 1, shea butter, which is the base of lip treatment. This shea butter is being used in Africa and other countries since so many decades to improve skin moisturization. The basic function of shea butter is to moisturize your lip skin for a long time. Shea butter contains natural vitamins and fatty acids, which plays a major role in lip skin nourishment and moisturization. Second ingredient, which is rose oil. Its main function is to combat the rough, cracked skin areas, protect your skin from sunburns, and works very beautifully as a natural lip conditioner. Rose oil contains enough antioxidant minerals which keep your lips naturally soft and moisturized. The third most important ingredient is avocado oil. Avocado oil contains a substance called sterolin, which helps to give the lips a soft feeling, and that's why it is ideal in a lip care. Avocado oil is rich with antioxidant vitamins which nourish our lips and fight the aging process. It is ideal for dehydrated and damaged lip skin to increase the elasticity of your lip skin. In a nutshell, avocado oil works excellent as an anti-aging and rich source of fatty acids. So the major functions of avocado oil in our lip skin are calm itchy skin, heal chapped skin, it replenish dry skin, it hydrate and moisturize our skin, Avocado oil makes shields to the skin from ultraviolet ray and it protects against skin damage. The fourth another vital ingredient is olive oil. It contains three major antioxidants: vitamin E, polyphenol and phytosterol. These powerful antioxidants help to protect our skin from premature aging effect and restore skin smoothness. It mainly used as a long-lasting shield of moisture onto the lip skin. It soft, supple lips. It provides superior hydration, relieves from cracked and chapped lips, and natural SPF protection. We have discussed all the natural ingredients has been used in the Atomy lip treatment, and you will find this miracle product starts working in your lip skin very fast. One very interesting point I want to tell you that have you noticed the shea butter quantity used in the market available lip balms? You will be surprised that our Atomy lip treatment shea butter quantity is much higher than that. Some of the manufacturers are using rapeseed oil also in lip balm to make it more competitive and cost effective. But we should be very cautious during selection of lip balms. We need to take care of our lips not only in the winters or when cracked skin noticed, but use it 365 days to care your delicate lip skin efficiently. Now, how and when to use this Atomy lip treatment, right? We should use this Atomy lip treatment twice a day, once in the morning and once before going to bed. Applying of Atomy lip treatment before bed is very important because all these natural ingredients will take sufficient time to heal your lip skin and gives you a fresh glowing lip which you are looking for. And also, if you sleep with your mouth open, you are going to dry your lips out over more. So it is recommended to apply Atomy lip treatment right before bed. It's always a better idea to use Atomy lip treatment before applying a lipstick to keep your lips moisturized for a longer time and to keep your lipstick moist and colorful. You don't need to apply Atomy lip treatment several times in a day, as it will last for a long time and to take care of your delicate lip skin. This Atomy lip treatment is not at all addictive due to the use of all natural ingredients. I want to tell those persons whose lip color becomes dark due to lack of care and pollutions. Please apply Atomy lip treatment immediately. You will be astonished and see the difference which your local lip balms never do. What for are you waiting, my dear friends? Just order today this Atomy lip treatment. Truly, we care for your skin with delight and develop this heavenly solution for your lips. Atomy lip treatment is the softest touch for your softest muscle, and for that you will fall in love with your lips. Thank you.